No political leader has come here to this area. And they are just saying the name of one political leader. He is belonging to Muslim League Nawaz group. His name is Ikhtiar Wali. Basically, these poor people are demanding for everything, but they are saying that nowadays we need financial assistance very severely. See a very apathetic condition here. This home has been completely changed into debris, and everything has been flown into the flood water. His name is Darvesh, and he is saying that I am the owner of this home. Sir, already I have mentioned out that his everything valuable asset belonging to his home has been flown into the flood water. Sir, you can see the bed here also in the debris. And he is also saying that his profession is labor, and he is a very poor person, and he cannot afford to build this home again back. And he is saying that we have not received any assistance from the government yet, and we need assistance from the government side to build this home urgently. So, one political leader, they are saying the name of Ikhtiar Wali, belonging to Muslim League Nawaz group, and he has visited this area again and again, and no other political leader has come to this area.
ये सब हम गरीबों का घर है, हमारे पास न कोई आता है न कोई पूछता है। वाकई एक पूरा पाकिस्तान में एक लीडर था जो वो भी नवाज शरीफ साहब सबसे पहला हम नौशेरे में पहुंचा है। हमारे कोई भी नहीं पूछता है। ये हम गरीबों के बस की है, ये हम गरीबों के घर है। आ गई एक इख्तियार वली साहब है जो वो हुकूमत के खिलाफ उठा है और हर घर घर को बोलता है जो आपको सब अपना हक मिलेगा, हम अपना कोशिश पूरा करेगा जो आपको अपना हक मिलेगा।
This is another poor person. He is a farmer. His name is Wasil Khan, and he is looking after his buffaloes and horse and other cattle here. And he is also saying that many cattle and buffaloes were disappeared and into the flood water. And he is saying that we have received just 1 tent, and the assistance from the government side is limited to this just single tent, and we need food and other items, and even we need financial assistance. And this guy is saying that just only one political leader, Ikhtiar Wali Khan, belonging to Muslim League Nawaz group, has visited this place time and again. His name is Shamsher, and he is a very strong supporter of Muslim League Nawaz group, and he has done many things for this party.
براغلی زمونږ دا دیوال چې کوم دی دا غورځېدلی دی، دا پوڼی مخامخ داسې وګورئ دا ټول راشلیدلي دي، دا لنډر چې کوم دی دا راپرېوتی دا ختم دی، مونږ په ټیکونو اوچت کړی دی، فلحال مو لکه ګنجایش راسره نشته نو دی راپرځول هم هېڅ ګنجایش راسره نشته دی، نو بس په دغه وجه لا هم په دې پردو باندې ګزاره کوو چې لاندې مو ځان ته زوړه نیمګړي دي او وخت پاس کوو پکې.
The flood water has done much destruction for him, and he is saying that his steps were tear down by the flood water. His support roof was also destroyed by the flood water, and this person is very poor, and he can't afford to fulfill the damage that was. This is my personal home, which was completely destroyed by the flood water, and I am personally a student, a very poor person, and my father is a labor person, and he educated me very hardly, and my documents, my books, my everything was destroyed by the flood water, and we are living here. We have not received any financial assistance from anyone, and we have not received any assistance from government side, so we need financial assistance very urgently. Sir, I will request you to come here and help us. His name is Amjad Taustabashimi. and this person is very poor person. His whole home was destroyed by the flood water. And his main complaint is that he is not receiving any assistance from the government and he needs financial assistance. This is a very poor person. His two rooms were destroyed by the flood water and he is very poor and he is hoping for assistance. And even he has not received any assistance from the government. His name is Ramdad Taustawai. This is a very poor person. His two rooms were destroyed by the flood water and every important thing that were there in their home which was destroyed by the flood water. Sir, and he is saying that nobody has come yet to their home and he is also making complaint that we have not received anything from the government side. And they need material for construction severely and they are also demanding for financial assistance. Similar kind of story is also here. This is a very poor person. His name is Muntaz. And sir, you can see the overall situation is here. The whole street has been destroyed by the flood water. And this person is very poor person. His home has been completely destroyed by the flood water. So, he is saying that assistance is just only limited to food item which is coming from NGO side, but no assistance is coming from the government side. And sir, this is the area where the water was too much deep here, and even up to, sir, you can see these rooms. These were completely drowned into the flood water. And he is also saying that no political leader has visited this area also. And these poor people are demanding for financial assistance. Thank you very much. His name is Fakirullah. Who are standing here these homes, and their home have been completely destroyed by the flood water. And even there are many homes and rooms which were cracked by the flood water. Even sir, they are making complaint that we have not received yet any assistance from the government side, and we are severely in need of getting food and other items. They are demanding for financial assistance and other kind of needs which can be fulfilled by you. And even they are making complaint that no political leader has visited this street. Home, we have taken the view there, and they are living here until they are homeless, and they are here without any help, and they are making the similar kind of complaint against the government, and they are very poor people, they deserve for assistance. So they are making complaint that we should be given assistance in the shape of financial assistance and food items. So they are severely in need need of food items and other assistance. So it would be a request to you that you people, if you people will come here or any other NGO or government, they should come here and they should help these poor people. Thank you. I want to see some location here, and the area where I am standing here, it is the main entrance of Kabul River, from where the water was entering into the Nowshera Kala area, where much destruction was occurred there. And the basic thing is that this area is very dry and plain area, so that's why the water was moving very smoothly here to this area, and a lot of destruction was occurred there. And the main thing is that the people are here making complaints that before the water, there was not made any announcement, and these people were not expecting that the water was coming there. Even no announcement was made to these people, so that's why a lot of destruction was occurred there. If any kind of announcement would have been made to these people, certainly they would have saved themselves from there. And the more importantly, never even in my lifetime such a deep water have come here. It is for the first time that such a deep water came there. And more importantly, these people are deprived from the basic needs, and the views that we have taken there, these people are deprived from the basic needs, and even these people are making complaint that no political leader has yet come to this area, and these people are making support themselves, and these people are very poor and they need assistance, and they can't afford the loss which has been done by this flood water. And this is the area, sir, this is a mud which came by the flood water. Even this area was very plain, but you can see these cracks. These cracks were made by the flood water, because the flood water, the deepness of the flood water was very high here. And even there is no home near to this water, but there is a lot of population is here to this area. Nowshera, on my right side there is a located Nowshera Kala area, which is very populated area where a lot of families are living here. So the water came during the day. It came during the day, but the people were not expecting that the flow and the deepness of the water will be so much deep here. But these people are making complaint that nobody made any kind of announcement before the time. If any kind of announcement would have been made there, certainly these people can save themselves. And even during the water time, during the flood time, no other relief activities was started very soon. It was started after 2 days. Even for 3 days, people were very hungry there. And destruction was occurred there, and there are certain people who are.
The Union Council, ये यूनियन कौंसिल काबल रिवर है। काबल रिवर में ये महल्ला कादियाबाद है। ये तुम्हारा घर है?
हाँ जी, हमारा घर है।
ये गिरा हुआ है?
गिरा हुआ है जी, 2 कमरे गिरा हुआ है।
ये किस चीज पे गिरा हुआ है?
ये सैलाब की वजह से।
सैलाब की वजह से गिरा हुआ है। इधर कोई सरकारी DCO या कोई वजीर या MPA में ने कोई बंदा
कोई नहीं आया जी, कोई पूछने के लिए नहीं आया। कोई भी पूछने के लिए नहीं आया।
ये हमारा भाई ये इनका घर है। ये पानी की वजह से सैलाब आया था, उसकी वजह से गिरा हुआ है।
सैलाब रागले हो दा मामला कोड दे।
ये सैलाब की वजह से गिरा हुआ है, और आपसे पूछने के लिए कोई सरकारी बंदा DCO साहब, ACO साहब, MPA MNA कोई बंदा पूछने के लिए आया है?
कोई आदमी नहीं आया हुआ
अभी तक किसी ने नहीं पूछा।
कोई आदमी नहीं आया।
ये टेंट जो आपको मिला है ये NGO की तरफ से या
सरकारी तरफ से नहीं मिला?
सरकारी जो की तरफ